Chris here with Goodland Travel. We're here at the Hyatt Ziva in Cap Cana, Punta Cana. We're going to be touring the one-bedroom master suite 3207. Okay, first thing, we've got a common bathroom over here. So we've got a special room for the toilet, like in all the rooms. We've got a walk-in shower, similar to the junior suites. And then a single bathroom sink. Okay, we've got a closet here, drawer for storage. And then in the one-bedroom master suites, we're going to have a common space. So we've got a dining room table here, a desk. This is a sleeper sofa. They also have roll-away beds upon request. You can fit up to 5 people in this room. So you're going to get the same amenities in this as the junior suites. You've got your coffee maker. This is actually an upgraded coffee maker, an espresso, if you like espresso. The junior suites just have a regular coffee machine. Same mini fridge as the junior suites. And then we'll go over here into the master bedroom. So master bedroom has a king-size bed, small sitting area. We'll go out on the balcony in just a minute. Got the master bathroom here. So we can take a look at the closets here. You've got your safe. There's a double closet here. Mirror image of this one. Oversized jacuzzi tub for 2. I've also got a sliding door here for privacy. We're going to leave that open for now. Double sinks here. Room for the toilet. And then here we've got another walk-in shower similar to the junior suites. Rain shower head and movable handle. Then with the one-bedroom master suites, you're going to get a double balcony. So you've got your sitting area, and then you're going to have an oversized jacuzzi out here. This is in all one-bedroom master suites. And then right out here, you have your swim suites.
Hey guys, this is Chris, the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. Don't forget to click subscribe to see more of our travel related content. We don't charge anything for bookings. We help facilitate specific room requests and upgrades and help plan special events. And visit our website to learn more about us. Thanks.